Steps for finding linear programming problems using graphical method. Step 1. Convert the inequality constraint as equation and find coordinates of the line. Step 2. Plot the lines on the graph. Note, if the constraint is greater than equal to type, then the solution zone lies away from the center. And if the constraint is less than equal to type, then solution zone is towards the center. Step 3. Obtain the feasible zone. Step 4. Find the coordinates of the objective function profit line and plot it on the graph representing it with a dotted line. Step 5. Locate the solution point. Note, if the given problem is maximization, that is Z max, then locate the solution point at the farmost point of the feasible zone from the origin, and if minimization, then Z mean, then locate the solution at the shortest point of the solution zone from the origin. Step 6. Solution type. If the solution point is a single point on the line, take the corresponding values of x1 and x2. And if the solution point lies at the intersection of two equations, then solve for x1 and x2 using the two equations. And if the solution appears as a small line, then a multiple solution exists. And if the solution has no confined boundary, the solution is said to be an unbounded solution. Here we can see that your example of diagram, that is of graphical method. Your red line, that is constraint 1, that is equation, and green line, that is constraint 2, that is another equation. These are 4 corner points, and here we can see that this inner region is our intersection region, that is our feasible region. Now how to draw a graph? First, make a x-axis and y-axis. Draw first equation, then another equation. Here we can see that here also. Now there are 3 lines, 3 equations, and dotted is given. If it is less than equal to, then the feasible region will be this one, and if it is greater than equal to, then the feasible region above the line.